to my video. Today we're just gonna be learning about the Pythagorean Theorem. So let's get started. So you guys should be familiar. This is basically the main formula for Pythagorean Theorem. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Repeated. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. So let's get started. So what's a hypotenuse? Well, it's basically C. The longest side in a triangle, and the other ones will be called leg. So yeah, this is the longest, as you can see, and these are two other ones. So yeah, let's get started. 25 squared is 25, right? Then what's 4 squared? It's 16. And what's 3 squared? It's 9. So if you add them together, it is indeed, sorry, that's not how I write my 9. Yeah, there we go. So it is, you can see indeed, that's the case here. See? This is a great triangle right here. So basically, this is what the Pythagorean Theorem is stating. So basically, to visualize this better, let's say the hypotenuse is this. Let me use a different color to label each side. This one's purple. The other one will be blue. So yeah, the shortest one will be blue, which is 9, right? This one's 16. This is 25. So red one is the longest side. And if you square it, then you get 25. And since it's 3, you square it, and the second longest one here, 4 centimeters. You can see that it's equal to 16. If you add that together, yeah, it's literally that. So we can actually use up the formula like this. What would you do if C? What do you just want to do for the C? Do you really want to just calculate if something's off? You want to do like 11 root 6 or something like that? No, you don't want to do that. So yeah, how do you just solve for C? You just draw a star to show that it's important. Well, first thing first, then you probably rooted the C to get this power of 2 out, right? So what did we learn during the algebra class? Whatever you do on the on this side, you do it on the other side, because equal sign is like the balancing system. So yeah, a squared rooted is just a plus b, right? But then it's the same thing as this. So just do a squared plus b squared, and then you root it, square root it. Importantly, square root it. So as you can see here, 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9. So if you add that, it becomes 25, right? So if you go down, we change up the color, it's important. See, equal sign. And what's square root 25? 25 is perfect square of 5. So C is equal to 5. So yeah, that's basically how you do it without giving the value C. Pretend like this value C wasn't given. And what do you do if you don't get the value of, let's say, A? How do you just solve for A? Right? How do you just do for A? Well, if we just write this normally, C is equal to A plus B squared, right? Squared, just normal form. Normal form, well, you want to solve for A, so you move that here, you subtract, you would just move the A there, which would get you the A squared to this side, and then you would move the C onto the other side, which would give you minus C squared. So you would just root it to get the perfect square. So let's just root it. is square rooted this entire thing. So yeah, let's say we got 5 and 4. So yeah, 5 and 4. We'll consider this as B. Okay? B. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. Right? Also, I forgot to say, because you are removing that a squared, you have to subtract a squared from both sides, so you'll get a negative a squared. So yeah, anyway, this is an imaginary number, but we don't have to really worry about that. 25 is equal to, what does it equal to, guys? Tell me. I want you guys to pause the video and think about it. So what equal to 9? And 9 root minus 9 root squared. Yeah, what is this? Well, we know that it's 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. And since the square root is only supposed to get whatever the values inside out there, it's supposed to be 3, negative 3. So yeah, that's basically how you get that. This was Pythagorean Theorem. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck for your school. Please subscribe. Thank you.